These are from Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, it just starts there. It's Gecko.
Cool. Can you say thank you?
Thank you. Cheese.
I got a video going, buddy.
Thank you.
You gotta show him what it is, honey. Woohoo!
I like Gecko. This is from Daddy that gave me.
All right, Peyton, you get to open another one.
Dusty.
Open it. Dusty shoes. Dusty shoes.
Oh my goodness! Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Now it's Taylor's turn. Oh, I did not notice that. You know what that says though, right? Converse. So I think you know what it is, right? Now it's your turn, Kaylee.
Thank you.
Your turn, buddy.
Straighten open. Oh, there's a little Lightning McQueen.
Look at those, buddy.
I got mouse too. I got all these presents. Thank you. You got
Is that a Wii game, honey?
It's either a Wii game or the movie.
Oh, movie? Okay.
Thank you.
You get to go next, buddy.
Big one, bud.
Well, he's got a little one still by him.
That big one, right there, right there, right? You see that big one?
Here, bud.
We'll open this little one next. Then we'll open this big one. So you taking that tonight? Thank you.
It's a Colt shirt, buddy.
She just opened it. Are you taking a video?
Yes, I am. Ooh, look at those, Taylor.
Thank you.
Run out of room?
I don't have any more room. Thank you.
Do you know what that is?
Yes, I do.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, for the bras. You want to open this big one, bud?
That one is too heavy.
Well, you can come down here.
Yeah, buddy. Here.
It's too.
Wait. Here, try this. Over here.
You got a box!
Yeah, if you want, sure.
You can sit on it. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you have any more, Taylor?
No.
Okay, Kaylee, you can open that one.
It's a go.
What do you say?
Thank you.
It's for Flagstaff, hon.
Wait, Mom.